The inland taipan is often called the world's most venomous snake. It is found in the arid regions of Australia. This elusive serpent has venom so potent it can kill a human in under an hour. Despite that power, it is incredibly shy and rarely seen by people. Its venom is designed to immobilize prey quickly. It primarily feeds on small mammals like rats. The venom is so specialized that it evolved to target specific proteins in its prey. Despite its fearsome reputation, it is not aggressive and prefers to retreat rather than confront threats. So while it holds the title of the deadliest snake, it is also a reminder of how fascinating and complex nature can be.